Students, how are you all? Students, if you remember, we have studied in detail about community workers in our previous lecture, that what are their role in our what are the role they play in our life, and how they make help us, and how they make our life comfortable and easier. And we have studied about number of community workers in our previous lecture, and today we will going to do an exercise related to it in our social studies workbook for class 1. So for that, look at page 12 of your social studies workbook of class 1. First of all, students, write day and the date. Today is Wednesday, 19th 8 2020. Now let's look at it what they are asking. Community workers are special people who help us. We also know they help us in one or another way. Can you guess? And we have to guess who they are, and use the word bank and label the pictures too. Like, we have to use these words and put these words in their correct options. Is that clear? So let's see sentence 1. So sentence 1 is, he brings mail to us. Let's see the options. Garbage collector, sweeper, postman, security guard, baker, gardener, milkman, policeman. Garbage collectors takes garbage from our home, or from our place, or from our community to takes our community to other places. And sweeper cleans our house. Postmen are the one who bring mail to us, to our house. So the correct option for sentence 1 is postman. So write postman here. The students, look at sentence second. uh, he comes on a donkey cart to collect our trash. Like I also told now, that garbage collectors are the one who takes garbage from our house, or from one place to another place. Okay, so we will write here garbage collector. So students, keep writing with me. Like, if you now look at sentence 3, he cleaned the street. Who cleaned the street? Uh, a sweeper cleans the street. Yes or no? So the correct option is sweeper. Write sweeper here. Who, look at question number sentence number 4. He looks after the plants. Who are the one who looks after the plant? Postman? No. Security guard? Not at all. Baker? No. Gardener? Yes. A gardener are the one who looks after the plants. So the correct option is gardener. Write gardener here. Look at the fifth sentence. He brings us milk. Like, who are the one who brings us milk? Uh, uh, Security guard, baker, gardener, milkman, or policeman? Yes, milkman are the one who brings us milk to our house. Now students, look at the sixth sentence. He bakes our bread. Who is the one who bakes bread for us? He is a baker. So the correct answer for question line 6, sentence 6 is baker. So write baker here. Look at the seventh sentence. He protects us from danger. Who protects us from danger? A security guard or a policeman? Uh, a policeman secure us from danger. So the correct answer is policeman. Write policeman here. Uh, Question number 8, sentence 8 is, he looks after the house in our street. So if you see the option, only security guard is left, and security guards are the one who looks after our house in night as well, and in daytime also. So the correct answer is security guard. I hope students, you have noted all the correct answers in their correct sentences. So let's see, on the below there's 3 pictures, and we have to give them name. Now look at the first picture. He is a man standing with some breads in her hand. Who is he? He is a baker. So write baker here. Look at the second picture. He is a man. He is taking milk from the cow. So who is he? He is a milkman. Look at the third picture. He is a man with a holding a gun. Who is he? He is wearing a police uniform. So who is he? He is a policeman. So write policeman here. So students, I hope this lecture is clear to you, and I also hope that you also noted all the answers in your book as well. So all is that for today. Thank you from my side.